In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google My Business to n8n, a dynamic workflow automation platform. Whether you're new to n8n or looking to expand your workflow capabilities, integrating Google My Business can streamline your processes and enhance your business operations. So, let's jump right in and explore how you can accomplish this. Firstly, you need to open your n8n workflow. Once you're there, you'll notice a vast space where the magic happens. This is where you design and implement your workflow processes. Keep in mind that n8n is very visual, which means you can easily see every step of your automation. Next, you're going to want to add a new node. Nodes are the building blocks of your workflow in n8n, representing different functions and integrations. To do this, simply click on the Add Node button. This button is usually located prominently in the editor interface. Easy to spot. After clicking on Add Node, you'll be prompted with a search bar. Here, in the search bar, type in Google Business Profile. This step is crucial because it's how n8n knows that you want to add this particular integration to your workflow. Once you've typed it in, you'll see Google Business Profile appear in the results. Go ahead and select it. Now, with the node added, it's time to explore the functionality it brings to your workflow. The Google Business Profile node offers a range of operations. It's incredibly versatile and supports multiple actions that your business might need. For instance, you can create posts to share important updates or promotional messages with your audience. With the Get functions, you can retrieve both individual or multiple posts at once, a useful feature for when you want to analyze or keep track of your business information and user engagement. Moreover, the node allows you to update current posts or even delete them if they're no longer relevant. Managing reviews is another area where this integration shines. You can get reviews, fetch multiple reviews, or even respond to them with the reply operation. And should you need to, there's also an option to delete replies. It's all about giving you comprehensive control over how you manage your Google My Business interactions effortlessly from within n8n. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Google My Business to n8n and are set up to start executing tasks directly from the platform. Don't hesitate to explore each function and see how they can fit into your tailored workflow. This integration is a powerful tool designed to help you manage and coordinate business operations seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy automating, and see you in our next video.